Ayan, handa na ba ang aking maleta para sa flight na ito? So, welcome back to my channel. You are here at Simply Jill. So, it's been a while and I miss you guys so much. So, ngayon ako nagbabalik with my flight attendant makeup look. So, I'll be teaching you guys today how to do this very simple makeup look. Of course, syempre may mga kailangan tayong ilagay talaga sa ating face para ma-achieve natin yung look na ito. But, of course, it's made easy for you. Ayan. So, without further ado, if you want to know more about how I did this look, just keep on watching.
Hi guys! So, every flight attendant must start with a good skincare routine na talagang super moisturized ang kanyang skin dahil ang mga long flights can really dry the skin. Ayan, so we should use a good moisturizer, and then also for the lips, before putting on the lipstick, so ilagay na natin siya para mag-sink in na siya sa lips. Ayan, and then after the moisturize, I'm going to use face primer by Beauty Glazed so that when I put on my makeup, mas madaling mag-glide sa skin ang cosmetics or the makeup. So, I'm going to use the 24 Hours Super Stay foundation of Maybelline. So, dahil nga long flight ang mga nangyayari sa mga flight attendant, so it has to be long wearing and full foundation. Yan. So, and I'll be using concealer by Maybelline. Yes, for the dark spots to cover up. Yan. So, I'm blending it with a sponge. And then, so meron pa akong ibang dark spots na ilalagay because meron akong parang mga hair dyan sa part na yan. And, blend it again. And then, let's do some baking. So, lagyan natin ng konting powder dyan habang nag-eyeshadow tayo or as we continue with our makeup routine. Now, I'm going to do the brows. So, I'm using Beauty Glazed for the brows. If I miss some of the cosmetics that I'll be using, I'll be putting them in the description box below. Yan. So, inaayos ko lang yung aking kilay. And, meron pa akong isang chismis dyan sa side na yan. I use the concealer and then, ini-spread out ko na lang siya para maging eye primer ko before I put on the eyeshadow. Okay, so this one is medyo na-late ko siyang gawin. Nakita ko kasi meron pang mga maliliit na strands of hair sa aking brows. So, this is actually a hair brows removal. Okay, so para siyang blade but it's electric. And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the FS Filipiniana Ginihugma eyeshadow palette. This is very earth toned colors ang mga nandyan. So, very natural siya for Filipina skin. Yan, so I use the base and then yung isang color dyan to top it. And then, I'm just intensifying a little bit kasi mas gusto ko lang yung medyo dark at this time para makita talaga yung shadow niya. Since I have a monolid eye. And this is mostly one of the struggles of having monolid eye. Yan. So, tinataas ko lang siya para hindi maging masyadong droopy yung eyes. You know, as people age, yung nagiging parang droopy din kasi yung eyes. So, yan. So, naisipan ko gamitin yung isang color sa Detail Cosmetic palette ko na color pink. Yan, so para merong konting touch of pink kasi naging full brown siya. Yan, so now I'm using eyeliner from Beauty Glaze Cosmetics. At hindi ko siya masyadong in-extend because I want my eyes to be natural looking. So yan, winawalis na natin yung powder na binake natin. And now, I'm doing my lashes. So, i-curl muna natin siya before we put on the mascara. And then, for a softer look ng ating lower lash line, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng shade of brown instead of using eyeliner. Yan. So, nakalimutan ko palang maglagay ng contour. So, I'm using the contour stick from Careline. So, ganyan siya. Ginamitan ko ng sponge to blend. Yan. So, in makeup, blending is always the key and it brings a lot of magic but it's not overnight. So, parang yan, medyo matagal talaga yung pagbiblend. It takes time. Yan. So, ngayon naglalagay ako ng powder sa mga spots and I'm using Jordana for my blush. Medyo orangey yung shade niya. Perfect for mestiza or for morena like me. And for my highlights, gagamitin ko tong galing sa Sleek Cosmetics. Very light and natural yung highlight niya. So, sakto lang siya for a working flight attendant. And for the lipstick, I chose the Colorette Cosmetics in the shade +1. So, this is the first time na magagamit ko ang +1 and it looked very nice on my lips. Very perfect for a flight attendant kasi syempre, long flight, nakakapagod. So, kailangan bright ang ating mga lips. Yan. So, lower lash line, naglalagay lang ako ng mascara. This is optional, by the way. And now, I'd like to put a false eyelashes, but I think masyadong overly dramatic ang lashes na to. Parang not the one that I like. So, pumili ako from Taiwan Lashes in Y66 ang code niya. Yan. So, medyo shorter siya and nagpa-thicken lang siya ng lashes ko and looks natural pa rin. And then, a little more blending. Yan. So, I think I am almost done. And if you reach this part, please like and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe para updated ka sa mga next vlogs ko. Ayan, ayan ang aking dream come true. So, once in my life, gusto ko rin maging flight attendant, kaya lang may kulang. So, ito na lang tayo.
So, there you go. Nakita nyo how I did this flight attendant makeup look or the cabin crew makeup look. At
a few moments later.
And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, please share sa inyong mga friends, especially yung mga gusto matuto na ma-achieve ang flight attendant makeup look na ito. At shout out nga pala si Iggy Pellegrina at gusto ko i-share yung kanyang new business, yung Tok Tok. So, andito yung link. So, if you need the service of Tok Tok, just use this code below. Yan. So, there or here. I'll be seeing you guys again on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!